Gold, it's a symbol of wealth, beauty, and power. But have you ever wondered where gold and other heavy elements like platinum or uranium actually come from? They weren't created on Earth, nor were they present at the birth of the universe. Instead, these elements were forged in some of the most violent and extraordinary cosmic events. Welcome to Großdenken, everyone. In this video, we're diving into the science of how the universe creates gold and other heavy elements. From the explosive deaths of stars to the collisions of neutron stars, we'll explore the cosmic alchemy that brought these precious elements into existence and how they ended up here on Earth. Please support this channel grow by subscribing. To understand how heavy elements like gold are created, we need to go back to the beginning, the Big Bang. When the universe first formed about 13.8 billion years ago, it was incredibly hot and dense. In those early moments, only the lightest elements, hydrogen, helium, and a tiny bit of lithium were created. But what about heavier elements like carbon, iron, or gold? These couldn't form in the Big Bang. Instead, they were created later, inside stars and during violent cosmic events. The universe became a giant factory, slowly assembling elements through a process called nucleosynthesis. Stars are, well, the factories of the universe, where most elements are created. Inside a star, hydrogen atoms fuse together to form helium through nuclear fusion. This process releases enormous amounts of energy, which is actually why stars shine. As a star ages, it begins to fuse helium into heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and eventually iron. But here's the catch. Fusion stops at iron. Why? Because fusing iron doesn't release energy, it actually absorbs it. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity and explodes in a supernova. In these extreme conditions, temperatures and pressures are so high that heavier elements like gold and uranium can be created. These elements are then scattered into space, seeding future generations of stars, planets, and even life. Supernovae are honestly one of the most important sources of heavy elements in the universe. During the explosion, the intense heat and energy allow neutrons to crash into atomic nuclei, creating elements heavier than iron through a process called the R process, or rapid neutron capture. The R process is actually responsible for creating elements like gold, platinum, and thorium. These newly formed elements are blasted into space at incredible speeds, mixing with gas and dust clouds. Over time, this material can form new stars, planets, and eventually us. Without supernovae, the universe would be missing many of the elements we rely on every day, including those found in your smartphone, your body, and even your jewelry. While supernovae create heavy elements, they aren't the only source. Some of the heaviest elements, including most of the gold in the universe, come from an even rarer event: neutron star collisions. Neutron stars are the incredibly dense remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. A single neutron star is so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece of it would weigh as much as a mountain. When two neutron stars orbit each other and eventually collide, the energy released is unimaginable. These collisions produce gravitational waves, which were first detected in 2017, and create perfect conditions for the R process to occur. Scientists estimate that a single neutron star collision can produce several Earth masses of gold and other heavy elements. These materials are ejected into space, enriching the universe with heavy elements that can later form planets and other celestial bodies. So, how did gold and other heavy elements end up here on Earth? After being created in supernovae or neutron star collisions, these elements mixed with gas and dust in space. Over millions of years, these clouds began to collapse under gravity, forming new stars and planetary systems, including our own solar system. When Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago, it was a molten ball of rock. Heavy elements like gold sank to the planet's core due to their density. However, later asteroid impacts brought more gold and other heavy elements closer to the surface, making them accessible to us today. In fact, most of the gold we mine today likely came from ancient asteroid impacts billions of years ago. Without these cosmic events, Earth would have very little gold, if any. Gold isn't just beautiful, it's incredibly useful. It's a key component in electronics, used in smartphones, computers, and spacecraft because it's an excellent conductor that doesn't corrode. Other heavy elements, like platinum and uranium, also play vital roles. Platinum is used in catalytic converters and medical equipment, while uranium powers nuclear energy. Even our bodies contain trace amounts of heavy elements like iron and zinc, which are essential for life. It's incredible to think that these elements, forged in the hearts of stars and cosmic collisions, are now part of our daily lives and our very existence. Gold and other heavy elements are more than just materials. They're actually the remnants of cosmic alchemy, created in the most violent and awe-inspiring events of the universe. From supernova explosions to neutron star collisions, these elements tell the story of how the universe evolved and how we came to be. The next time you see a piece of gold, remember that it's a fragment of the cosmos, billions of years in the making. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the most fascinating part of this cosmic journey?